beautiful people, welcome to a new vlog. As you guys can tell, I just took a shower. Tomorrow is Eid, so I thought I would start off the vlog. I'm still working tomorrow, but anyway, I'm gonna put some henna on my hands. I did my nails and I did a mani and pedi after like so long. Anyway, I just wanted to come here and say hi and Eid Mubarak to everyone who is celebrating tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing time with your family and your loved one. I will catch up with you guys tomorrow when I wear my Eid outfit. Can't wait to wear my Eid outfit. I will show you how it looks like tomorrow. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. Guys, just want to show you that my husband is making burgers. These are all the mess. Eid Mubarak to everyone who is celebrating. Sorry, there's a train going on outside. Anyway, this is my outfit. I've worn that before, but I wanted to be very comfortable and I really love that dress. I've never really gone out with the dress. I've done videos, my Don't Rush challenge on IGTV with that dress on, but I absolutely love it. I wanted something funky, yet something that I can eat and my heart away. Anyway, I just wanted to come here and say hi and say Eid Mubarak to everyone. I hope you guys are having a great day and enjoying with the family. Here is my henna. It turned out so nice, guys, and the stain is amazing. It's from my sister's wedding of last year. Every time I go to Mauritius, I come back to Mauritius, I bring the henna cones and I freeze them. So whenever I want to put henna on, I just defrost them and it's good to go. Smells amazing. And this is the color. I will show you guys what I'm gonna be up to and what we're gonna be eating and all that good stuff. But for now, quite a while, so very excited about that. I am wearing my H&M t-shirt, as you guys can see, super comfortable, and my henna is still being amazing. And yeah, we're just heading there. The weather is amazing, gorgeous weather. Just gonna hang there, have lunch, and have a good day. I will catch up with you guys soon. Other people were actually at Red Lobster, and yeah, it's the first time actually going in a restaurant and eating inside. And yeah, to be honest, they have really organized it very well. So as you guys could tell by the previous shot, there's table that are available, then there's a table that's unavailable, so there's distancing. Hey guys, we are back from the mall. I took out my magnetic pin. I'm gonna take off my scarf after, but really liking my outfit today. It's just very casual. We went downtown to Eaton Center and it was very organized, very clean, very organized, and there was signs everywhere. People were really following the rules, so it was very nice. And we had our mask on while being in the stores and stuff. And we went to Red Lobster, as you guys can see. Red Lobster was really nice as well, very well organized. Basically one table, they skipped tables, so one table you could use and one table there was no people, no customers, no people using it, and then the next table was available. It's basically how it works, and it was really good. And yeah, I had a lot of fun today downtown. I haven't been downtown for like such a long time. What else? Oh, I am here to do a little unboxing. I don't know if you guys know, but Fossil is having a huge sale. I'm pretty sure it's because of COVID, because their price are ridiculously marked down. So if you want to give someone something or buy something from Fossil for yourself, it's really the time right now, especially the handbags, everything. Basically a lot of their stuff are on sale. So I wanted to do a little unboxing on here. I got myself something that I've been eyeing out for the longest time, but didn't pull the trigger just because it was $228. That's without tax. And what I got was $77 with tax included. I feel like I'm those YouTubers that do designer unboxing. But anyway, it's a really nice bag. Okay, so this is the bag. It's a crossbody. This is the straps, the strap that it comes with, and the little keychain here. I got my name engraved on it. This just says NAB and the letter N, a heart, and a B. So I'll show you how the bag looks like. It's really nice crossbody. It has two zippers, really huge compartments. So one here, another zipper in the front. So it has compartment here, a zipper inside for another compartment here. It's just really spacious, and basically another compartment at the back. So really spacious, really like it, very good quality. Yeah, initially it was $228. That's without tax, as I said, and it went down for crazy $77. $228 without tax. So yeah, that was a bargain. Absolutely love it. They came up with that collection this year in February for Valentine's Day. I believe that's when that's why it has like a basically lips going on here. Just nice, but I really like it. Love that it's a funky kind of black. It's not your usual black, and really nice, really nice. It fits really nicely and really love my bag. But yeah, anyway, I wanted to come here and just say I hope you guys really enjoyed your Eid with your family. What I'll be doing right now is I'm going to go have my ice cap, chilled, and watch a new series that I just started like yesterday, The Last Kingdom. Since I really like Cursed on Netflix, you guys need to watch that. It has 10 episodes. Amazing. Love. One of my favorite. I'm not an episode or series type of person. I'm into movies, but I really enjoyed Cursed. So if you're into Merlin and all that good stuff and magicians and whatnot, I would really highly recommend. It's a really good series to watch. So I'm gonna start watching Last Kingdom, or actually finish the first episode today and see where this brings me. Anyway, leave me series suggestion in the comment section below, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Bye.